Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to generate an Amazon affiliate link. If you're looking to earn commissions by promoting products on Amazon, creating these affiliate links is essential. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged into your Amazon Associates account. You'll know you're properly logged in when you see the Site Stripe toolbar at the top of the page, displaying your store ID and tracking ID. This toolbar is crucial for generating your affiliate links, so if you don't see it, double check that you've signed into the right account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to find the product you want to promote. Use the main search bar at the top of the Amazon homepage and type in the product name or keywords. This search bar is your gateway to Amazon's entire catalog, so whether you're looking for a specific item or browsing categories, it's where you'll start your search. After you've found the product you want to promote, click on the product's title. This will take you to the product's detail page, where you'll see all the information about the item, including images, pricing, and reviews. This is the page where you'll generate your affiliate link. Now look back up at the Site Stripe toolbar at the top of the page and click on Get Link. This button is what transforms a regular Amazon URL into your personalized affiliate link. When you click it, a menu will appear with several options for customizing your link. In this menu, you'll see drop-down options for store ID and tracking ID. Make sure the correct IDs are selected from these drop-downs. These IDs ensure that any purchases made through your link are properly attributed to your account, so it's important to verify they're correct. Next, you'll want to choose the link type. Select Short Link for a concise, easy-to-share URL. Short links are cleaner and more professional looking, especially when you're sharing them on social media or in emails where long URLs can look cluttered. Once you've selected Short Link, you'll see a text box appear with your newly created affiliate link. It'll look something like https://amzm.to/ followed by a unique code. Click inside this text box to highlight the entire link. You can also right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Now you're ready to share your affiliate link wherever you'd like. Paste it into your website, blog posts, social media profiles, or anywhere else you want to promote the product. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. And that's it. You've successfully created your Amazon affiliate link, and it's ready to start earning you commissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.